Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today I'll show you how to repair a table fan. This is the 16-inch table fan Alba brand. Let's see what is the problem. If you press 1, it's vibrating. Press 2, it's moving but it's very slow. If you press 3, then it's moving, but then also it's very slow. Let's see, 1 is vibrating, 2 is vibrating. If I press 3, it's moving but very slow. Very slow. It's trying to move. Let's see what is the problem inside. Okay. Then when you open this cover, you have to tighten it. Yeah, you have to tighten it, then it will loose. This problem is in capacitor. We'll change the capacitor, then we'll see what is the result. I hope this is the problem in capacitor. Okay, I'll change the capacitor. This 1.2 micro EF 1.2. So if 1.2, we can fix here 1.5 also. Now I have so many capacitor. 1.5, this 3.1.5. Okay, I found the 1.5. For capacitor, there's no positive and negative. You can connect it anywhere. Let's test it. If you untight it, and then you have to twist it anti-clockwise. Yeah, anti-clockwise. Try press 1. Yes. Press 2. Press 3. Yeah, it's working fine. Have to fix it properly, not to touch in the body. But before fix the capacitor, very important things. Before fix the capacitor, you have to see it's loose or not. Yeah, it's loose or not. It's very important. It should be loose. Automatic should be loose. Yeah. If it is not loose, then we can put some oil or something, grease. Yeah. For this type, it's normal if you can tight it clockwise. Yeah, clockwise is you have to tight it. Yeah, it's normal. Yeah. One more time. This is the empty clock. Empty clock. Yeah, that's it. By this method you can you can repair you by yourself in your home. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.